I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the G733 and unplugging the USB dongle. This prevents shorts and accidental pairing. Next, remove ear cushions, use a gentle pull, and unclip the plastic ear cup cover with a spudger. Once done, remove visible screws with a T5 driver and keep them organized. You do this to expose the internal cavity where the battery sits. Good lighting and a tray for screws make reassembly faster and avoid lost parts. You now see the battery and connector. First, take a close photo to document cable routing and polarity so you can replace it exactly. Gently unplug the battery connector. Do not pull on wires. Use tweezers at the plug. If the battery is taped, warm its adhesive with a hairdryer on low, then lift with a spudger. Once free, slide the old battery out slowly to avoid straining the board or wires, making sure to dispose of the battery properly. You place the replacement battery exactly as in your photo, matching polarity and routing. Secure it with double-sided tape or the original adhesive. Reconnect the plug to the board, tuck wires into their channel, then reattach the ear cup cover and screws in reverse order. Once assembled, charge the headset fully and power it on to test pairing, audio, and mic. If it won't charge or power, try reseating the connector. Loose plugs are the most common issue to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.